In this video, we're going to show you how to use the company's admin-centric features of Plutomen ARMS. Plutomen ARMS is an AR-based remote assistance and collaborative tool. On completing the registration and verification of the company admin login credentials, the admin is given access to the company admin account. Company admin account can provide a lot of data to analyze. Company admin account consists of company dashboard, which provides the information of total registered users and the active users. On the below, it shows the ARMS usage graph. After the company dashboard comes a section of other pages. The employee option provides the admin to add, delete, activate, and deactivate the users. To add users, click on Add Employee button. On clicking the button and filling out login details of employees, the admin can add new users. On completing it, users will receive an email about the login details and email ID verification. The employee option consists of a table mentioning details of all the users. The admin can delete, activate, or deactivate users from the same. If there's any change in the user details, the admin can click on the Edit button and bring the changes. Only the users who are part of the table will be able to access the application. The Daily Usage option provides the admin with graph of usage between any two particular dates, which admin chooses. The graph shows the time in minutes. The application is used in total. The Call Log option provides the admin with generalized details of the calls that took place in terms of the calling user, the receiver, the other participants in the call, the date on which the call took place, the time at which called, the minutes consumed by the call, and at the very end of the table, the total minutes consumed till now. The details of Call Log can be exported in any of the prescribed formats. The admin can also get log details of any particular period by clicking and selecting the dates on the calendar button shown above. For getting any particular user's call details, the admin can click on the User Call Log option by selecting the username from the list. Results in the table shows up. In case of filtering the data further, the admin can select particular dates from the calendar button, and details of the particular user's call log for the specific time will be shown up. The details of any user's call log can also be exported in the prescribed formats. We hope this video will be helpful. In case of any query, let us know.